Every year now, and this is the 4th year, I've been going to Geelong for an Aqua Day. And we have a fantastic day. It's one of the most unique workshops I've ever delivered because we actually have a group of regular participants that participate in the first part of the master classes. And what's great is for instructors to actually see that what I deliver works with real people I've never met before. It's also confirming and validating for instructors to go, do you know what? I know I can teach this. I know my group's going to enjoy what I'm going to get out of today. So 4 workshops in one day. I like to offer lots of variety, and every year we're hosted by the fabulous facility that we have in Geelong. So if you want to come along, it's on the 4th of August. You don't want to miss out. The early bird special finishes really soon on the 4th of July, so make sure you book in as soon as you can.